Hey Kevin, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope we got the correct email of where we sent this email to. I'm sorry, this video. And thank you to your company for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic. The reason we contacted your company, Kevin, was because we've noticed that around your area in Mesa, Arizona, there is a high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case, pest control. In this video, I'll be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more traffic. The 3 categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Kevin. This is a great website. As I go through your website, of course, you have great photos, a beautiful layout. The navigation is fairly simple. I like this clickable phone numbers. This is always great, making it easier for your end user to contact you or contact your company. So this is a great website. However, if you're trying to optimize your website, you're going to need more content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. And again, inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are, words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services, in this case, your services, pest controls. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, you want 1,500 words. If your competitor wants 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the results. Now, for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool. You could, if you don't mind paying for it, it's a great tool to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. So this is what you currently have, Kevin. Your website does not have any keywords, organic keywords. In a monthly basis, there's no traffic going onto your website, unfortunately. Referring domains 27, backlinks 77, UR 13, and the DR 13. So you have some power here. You have a couple of backlinks and possibly citations under this category. It's giving you power, but you don't have any keywords, so you can't rank for any specific keywords, which I'll show you later on this video what I mean as far as the keywords category. So you are going down in the rankings, unfortunately, but if you improve this, I'm pretty sure you could get some more traffic organically, people going onto your website. When we go to one of your competitors here, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. You can see they do have more content. As you scroll down, they have more content, more internal linking page. They do have optimized images. You have more content here. So they have a bigger home page along with more content, relevant content. So this is pretty much one of your competitors. What they have going behind the scenes, they have over 2,000 keywords, traffic over 1,000 in a monthly basis. Referring domains 170, backlinks 1.5, the DR 2.9, and the UR 15. Let me explain what the DR and the UR meter here, but let's go back to your, what you have behind the scenes of your website. So the DR and the UR meter rating are the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two are through backlinks and citations. So a backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. A citation, actually, let's go back to a backlink. So pretty much a backlink is, I'm sure you've seen before or at inside a different website where there's a paragraph and there's a clickable text. You click on it, it'll take you directly to your website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. Okay, a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or yellow pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. So this is great. You already have this 1:1 ratio, 13:13. So kudos on that, but it's not giving you any relevancy because you don't have any keywords. Um, for the organic keywords, let's go back to your competitor here. They have over 2,000. This is their list, all right? This is what they have going behind their website. So this one keyword, pest control Mesa, Arizona, in a monthly basis, you have 400 people searching for the services that you offer with just this keyword. And this is a keyword that I found you with. Pest control Mesa, Arizona, doing our usual search. But imagine these 400 people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of optimizing your website. That's the whole point of search engine optimization. I'm sure you're probably familiar, but if you have any more questions, Kevin, please let me know. This is what I have for you now. If you want to go take another step, get some more information, just let me know. If you enjoyed this video, I would love to know your thoughts. If you're interested, let me know that too. If not, if you already, if you can't take more work currently, it's completely fine. Let me know that too, so I won't be sending you these annoying follow-up emails. All right. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Take care.